Good morning, elephants. Good afternoon, dinos. It is calendar time. So being that it's calendar time, it must already have given you a hint about what day it is, okay? Let's think about this. The calendar tells us the months of the year, the days of the week, and the date. Okay, so we could look on the calendar and we can look at the numbers in order and figure that out. So before we start, we sing a few songs at calendar that help us remember the days of the week and the months of the year, right? So when we talk about the months of the year, do you remember how many months are in a year? It's kind of a big number. It's bigger than the days of the week and it's larger than 10. Do you remember? 12. Yeah, there's 12 months in a year, right? Do you want to do the monthly Macarena with me? Let's do it so it will help us remember the months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. 12 months, yes. And then we sing the days of the week song, right? How many days are in a week? If you don't know, you can count them right there, right now. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Show me 7 on your hands, a 5 and a 2, right? There are 7 days in a week, right? Let's sing the song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's a great song to help you remember. Okay, so now that we've sang our songs, we can remember the days of the week and the months of the year. So do you know what month it is? If you don't know off the top of your head, you can look at the sign. I always have the month sign up there. You can look at the word and you can notice what letter does that word begin with. Letter A. So that's your hint. What month is it? April. Good job. So let's clap out April. Ready? April. April. How many times did I count for April? 2 times. I counted twice for April. So that means what? There's 2 sets of sounds, which means there's 2. What's that big word? 2 syllables in April. You got it. Okay. So let's look at the calendar and let's talk about. We know that it's April. Do you know what season it is? Spring. It's spring. How could you forget that it's spring with the rainy weather and the windy weather and the flowers blooming and the birds cheeping and laying their eggs? Okay, we know that it is definitely spring. And we also remember that little saying that goes, April showers bring May flowers. So it helps us to remember on those dreary rainy days that we need the rain, right? April can be a very rainy month. Okay, let's look at the calendar. Do you know what day of the week it is? Well, I always do my calendar on this day, so that's one hint. Another hint, which I'll give you, is let's look up here. Yesterday was Sunday, my friends. If yesterday was Sunday, what day is today? It goes like this. Sunday, Monday. Everybody, happy Monday. Today is Monday all day long, all day long. It's marvelous, magnificent, magical Monday. And we all know why I use those adjectives to describe Monday. Why? Marvelous, magical, magnificent Monday all start with the same sound, the same letter. What letter makes a sound? You got it. M. They all start with the letter M. Monday, magnificent, magical, marvelous, all start with the letter M. Awesome job. You guys know all your letters and all your sounds by now, right? Good job. So now we need to figure out what's the date. The date is always a number, right? So we point to Monday and we climb down to our mystery date. Ooh, it's a mystery because it's covered. We don't know what it is yet. So every mystery has a clue. Do you want my hint? Do you want my clue, detectives? Okay, look. Yesterday was the 19th day of April. It was April 19th. Do you know what is one more than 19? It goes like this. 19. You got it. If you said 20, you were correct. It is the 20th day of April. And I see I know what you're saying right now. There's 2 digits in that number, right? There is a tens place and a ones place. It's 2 digits, number 20. Okay, so today is Monday, April 20th. I say 20th. I don't say it's April 20. Why? You got it. That's right. We talk about the calendar, and the numbers on the calendar are in order. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Okay, talk about numbers in order. And you're going to be talking a little bit about numbers in order this week, or maybe you talked about it last week. We talk about numbers in order a lot, and we know that the calendar is one of our examples of numbers that are in order, right? Remember when we played the crow game, and I called you, and you had to be a scarecrow, and we called all the crows in, and we said the first crow, the second crow, the third crow? Yeah, that was a fun game, right? You can still play that. You know what? There's plenty of birds. You could play scarecrow and crow. That would be fun. All right, so it is April, my friends, and it's Monday. So on Monday, we discuss our letter of the week. Letter of the week. Let me give you a hint. Our theme of the week, one of our themes, is about an animal that's green. It's an amphibian. It has wet skin, lives in a pond or a swamp. It does hibernate in the mud or under a log, and it hops around. It eats flies. What is it? Ribbit, ribbit, it's a frog. So that's my hint. The letter of the week is the same letter in the beginning of frog. Can you guess it? I'm listening. You got it. F. F is the letter of the week. This is a little confusing, this picture, because I'm saying, what in this picture begins with the letter F? Ball. Ball does not start with the letter F. Child does not start with the letter F. Boy, girl, they don't. But these two are playing together, and they are friends. Yeah, they're friends. We know that friends start with the letter F. This is the uppercase F, that's the lowercase f. They're really not that much different. F can be a little more difficult to write than other letters, but you're going to practice, and I know you're going to do a great job. One of our friends, let's shout out to Francesca, because her name begins with the letter F. Great job. Let's do the sound. Ready? F, friend. F, friend. You try it. F, friend. It's like you had to put your teeth on your bottom lip and go, that makes the F sound, okay? That's the letter of the week. And when we write the letter F, this is how we're going to do it. You can put your writing wiggly worm fingers up, right? Finger. Finger starts with the letter F. We're going to start at the top. We're starting at the top. We're starting at the top. When we write our uppercase, we're starting at the top. All uppercase letters start at the top. And we make a line going to the top all the way to the bottom. Then we go back to the top and we just make another line. And then we go to the middle and we make another line. And that's our F. Lowercase f is a little different. Lowercase f also happens to start at the top. So we start at the top and we just go backwards. Start at the top, whoop, down like a roller coaster and make a cross. Got it? You could practice this and you're going to do a great job. I know you're doing really well with your writing and your letters. So I have some objects that begin with the letter F. Now, we are going to have a Zoom meeting today at 11 o'clock, and I asked your grown-ups to tell you, and Miss Veronica also told you on our last Zoom meeting, that you need to bring an object that begins with the letter F. It's kind of an easy one, right? I'll give you some hints, and then you'll be able to find some objects that start with the letter F. So right now I have some right here, and I want you to guess what these objects are. The hint is they all begin with the letter F. They all have the F sound in the beginning. Are you ready? What is that? You got it. Fire truck. Fire truck starts with the letter F. What about this? What's that? Oh, tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Feather. Feather starts with F. We know about this. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Frog. Frog starts with F. I just dropped something. Let me get it. Oopsie. Okay. What's that? That's the American flag. Flag starts with F. Good. Oh, this is good. When I get a little hot, when it gets hot out, and I just, this makes me feel cooler. What's that? Isn't that cool? That's a fan. Fan starts with F. Sometimes you have a fan on your ceiling that goes around and around. And then I have this. What's that? It's a farm. Farm starts with F. Great job. Now, if you look around your house, you might have oranges and apples and pears and grapes. They are all fruits. So if you need an F word and you don't have anything else, you can show a fruit, right? What else? I want you to take your time and I want you to do an F scavenger hunt. You can even find a picture of something, whatever you want. Bring it to the Zoom meeting and we're going to talk about letters. No, we're going to talk about the letter F. We're going to talk about words that begin with the letter F. It's going to be fabulous and fantastic. I can guarantee it. Okay? All right, guys. I'll see you later at our Zoom meeting. Happy Monday. Have a great day.